just back at me, Mitch, YouTube. What's up, guys? Welcome back. We just did yesterday we did the super easy. You guys gotta see kind of some of my cars. Almost, you're missing just a couple of them. You gotta see a lot of my cars in that video. So make sure to like for all those cars. And make sure to subscribe for all those cars. What we're gonna be doing today on the Lotus Exige. This is my 4th Lotus, if you didn't know that. I've had 4. I had an ELISE Ardent Red, ELISE Turbo Starlight Black, an EVORA S Supercharged 350 in the same color, which was Starlight Black, and now I have, is this Chili Red? This is another Ardent Red Lotus Exige. These ones, this is a good mod. I love this. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it right away. So currently on this vehicle, we have side markers. They look like this. I think they do light up when you do the emergency. Let's look here. Yes, they do. They currently look like that. Amber, 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 and then this one's gonna be like a really cool yellow, I guess you'd say, emergency for the GRP. Okay, so that being said, I'm going to show you guys how to install, real quick, aftermarket ones. These are amazing. They're on my website if you want them. Watch this. You should just be able to push on it. I think is it forward or back? I'm going to have to set the camera down and show you. This one, they usually come out a little bit easier. This one doesn't want it. I remember my Exige, or my Exige ELISE front clam was similar to this one. You push back, you push pretty hard, and I put my finger right here and push towards the back. It'll come out, and you should be able to just wiggle it. Let's wiggle, okay, wiggle. And then you should be able to wiggle a little bit further. There we go. You're gonna wanna clean this. So this is the OEM one. This is the push prong that holds it into place, and then here's the hook on the front. Very easy to disassemble. All you have to do is literally pull this out right here. You can do lefty-loosey on this and it'll come out. Let me show you real quick. Incandescent, I hate incandescent bulbs, you know me. I'm gonna just grab it and pull it out because they're hot. This one, it won't be receiving signals. These ones are so cool because they have a signal built into them and they're LED. Here is the OEM one. You don't need to unhook the plug. It's a double plug, meaning there's a plug here and then a plug here. You don't need to do that. It's like a housing that goes into the wire harness. You don't need to do that. Also, you're gonna wanna use a little bit of cleaner to clean that. So we'll put this aside, clean this, and then we'll connect the one on my website first, which is a smoked, and it has this nice little cushion on here. This is gonna be an amazing fit. I can't wait. You can see we cleaned it, and then you do the positive and the negative. You slide it into the OEM one, and you're gonna wanna get this flush in here and close this up because you don't want any water in here. Check this out, look at that. Oh, it looks so good. And it's actually a line instead of just the incandescent bulb. It's actually a line that looks so good. Make sure you put it all together like that, no water in there. All you do is slide it and turn. Look right there, it's slid and turn in there. And you're just done like that. A couple things here. I did this on my last one, the same thing. It comes with this, I guess it's a water film protector. It seems not to fit very flush with it on. I'm gonna actually pull it back off again and see if I can get it to sit flush with it on. But the other one with the Exige front clam on my other car was the same thing. I am gonna turn off the marker so it doesn't flash anymore, but it looks so much better in black. So much better. Yeah, I just tore this. You're not gonna, I think if you're gonna buy these from my website, I'm just gonna discard them. I don't think you need them. Why? Because the OEM one didn't come with it. Look, this didn't have one. And they just don't sit flush with it. They literally will wanna kick back out. If you hit a bump, it'll pop out and you don't want that. Without the cush, maybe if you get it you could slim it, make it a little bit thinner, or somehow extend the little clamp a little bit here, it'd fit, but you just don't want it. The other one was the same issue on my other car, where it didn't want to go in and I didn't want to break the fiberglass. So you just want this. This is so nice, amazing. I think that this one and this one are hand laid. I think they make this by hand. I really do. I think that's by hand on the Exige. I know the rear clam is by hand. But let's lay back and look at that. That is so much better versus this. Blah, that is so ugly. So I love it. It's a small little details. This is a great video. Let's go do the other side. Again, ugly. This is just an insane difference. I'm gonna love this. Will this one come up? It's hard. It's 2 hands. It's literally, it's like it's glued on there. But you just push really hard on here. It probably hasn't been off since 2006, to be honest. That's why it's so hard. Honestly, if you have a Lotus, ELISE, or Exige and you don't do this, bruh, I'm gonna call you out on it. This is amazing. Look at that. All colors it looks good on. The only color you might want to stay with the clear one is on a white one. I know a lot of people like to do that. Here's the issue. We have this beautiful new side marker, absolutely gorgeous. What's the issue is that they don't make anything for this. I need to, on my other one, I just deleted it. Literally on my other front clam, on my ELISE turboed, I just deleted that thing. So super easy mod, swingbymishra.com, absolutely obsession. Let's just have my wife come look at it, and she's like, oh, it's just the small details you always know. And it is, it's the smallest little details, the black accents, the more modern, the LEDs, just little things that bring this car into the future. People are like, Mitch, do not mod this at all. You're wrong. Just slight little mods actually make it look way more aesthetic, and when you take photos of it and you look that you're driving it, that's a big deal. So make sure to like, subscribe, swingbymishra.com. I hope you guys enjoy this. We have I don't know how many more. I think I have like 6 more mods. We're gonna finish this one with a bang with the Lotus Exige Stage 2 Jan Speed, loud burble, backfire, all that kind of stuff. I'm excited for that. We'll finish it with that. That being said, like, subscribe, swingbymishra.com. See you guys in the next video.